Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best 16-inch grill grate is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components for achieving that perfect sear and even cooking, transforming your backyard barbecues from good to absolutely legendary, ensuring every burger, steak, and vegetable comes off the grill with consistent char marks and mouth-watering flavor, making it a crucial upgrade for any serious grilling enthusiast looking to elevate their outdoor culinary game. Number 5. Htanch SE1343 Stainless Steel Cooking Grates, 3-pack. Revitalize your grilling experience with these premium replacement grates. They are designed to bring new life to your old grill, ensuring perfect cooking every time. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these grates offer exceptional durability and resistance to rust. They are built to withstand high temperatures and frequent use, providing long-lasting performance. These grates are specifically engineered to fit a range of popular grill models, including backyard and Uniflame series. They are compatible with models like BY14-101-001-099 and GBC1030W. Each grate measures 16.38 by 9.12 inches, with a total assembled dimension of 16.38 by 28.12 inches. This precise sizing ensures they integrate seamlessly into your existing grill setup. This convenient 3-pack provides a complete set for your grill, offering great value and ensuring you have all the necessary components. They are easy to install, getting you back to grilling in no time. Before purchasing, always measure your original cooking grids to confirm compatibility. This simple step guarantees you select the correct replacement parts for your grill. What we like. This 3-pack offers exceptional value for specific grill models. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning. If you own a compatible backyard or Uniflame grill and need multiple replacement grates, these are an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract relevant points. Number 4. SF8252 Stainless Steel Cooking Grates for Multiple Grills. Enhance your grilling experience with these premium cooking grates. They are designed to deliver superior heat distribution and durability for perfect results every time. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this 2-pack set ensures long-lasting performance. They resist rust and corrosion, making them a reliable choice for your outdoor cooking. These grates are specifically designed to fit various Vermont castings and Pro Chef models. They offer a precise replacement, restoring your grill's original cooking surface. Beyond that, they are also compatible with a wide range of Kenmore grill models. Check the extensive list to ensure they match your specific appliance. Furthermore, these versatile grates extend their compatibility to Ellipse and Hamilton Beach grills. They provide a reliable and sturdy cooking surface for many different brands. Each grate measures 16.12 by 11.38 inches, totaling 16.12 by 22.34 inches for the pair. Always measure your existing parts to confirm a perfect fit before purchasing. What we like. These stainless steel grates boast incredibly wide compatibility across many brands. They are built to last and provide a reliable cooking surface. If you are looking for a versatile and durable replacement grate for a wide range of Kenmore, Vermont castings, or Pro Chef models, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Cuisinart 16-inch stainless steel roasting pan with rack. This premium roaster boasts a high-performance stainless steel exterior. Its riveted handles ensure durability and a sleek look for your kitchen. Designed to handle your biggest culinary challenges, it easily accommodates a large Thanksgiving turkey. You can also use it for slow roasting a variety of root vegetables. The included sturdy rack, also with stainless steel handles, elevates your food for optimal cooking. This design allows fat to drain away, making removal effortless. After your meal, cleaning is a breeze as it is completely dishwasher safe. Plus, its induction compatibility makes it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Crafted for long-lasting performance, this pan is a reliable kitchen essential. It even comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Measuring 16.8 by 12.8 inches, it fits comfortably in most ovens. With the rack and handles, its total length is 21.1 inches. What we like. This isn't just a grate, it's a versatile roasting pan with a sturdy rack. Its premium stainless steel design is induction compatible, perfect for various cooking methods. If you need a multi-purpose roasting solution that works on all stovetops and in the oven, this is your go-to. What people say. No positive reviews found in the source content to extract from. The provided source JSON was empty, preventing extraction of 2 to 3 points. Number 2. SMOKEWARE Stainless Steel Grill Grate for Big Green Egg. Crafted from premium 304 grade stainless steel, this grate ensures exceptional longevity and durability. Its heavy-duty metal gauge is even larger than original equipment, promising superior performance. It's the ideal replacement for your worn-out or dirty grill grate. Designed to endure, it will serve you reliably for many years of delicious cooking. Featuring more crossbars than many other popular grates, it offers enhanced weight tolerance. This design significantly increases its overall strength and stability. Available in various sizes, it's designed to perfectly fit your big green egg. Choose the 15.34 inch for medium, 18.14 inch for large, or 24 inch for XL models. Pair it with the SMOKEWARE Stacker, sold separately, to unlock double-decker cooking. This allows you to expand your grilling area and prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. What we like. Specifically designed for the medium big green egg, this grate is a premium upgrade. Made from heavy-duty 304 stainless steel with extra crossbars, it offers superior strength. If you own a medium big green egg and want a robust, long-lasting replacement grate with enhanced support, this is the perfect fit. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract helpful points. Number 1. GRISUN 16.5 Cast Iron Cooking Grates. Enhance your grilling experience with these premium cast iron cooking grates. They are designed to replace your old, worn-out grates, bringing new life to your barbecue. These grates offer a perfect fit for a wide range of popular grill brands. You can easily find them compatible with many models from Smoke Hollow and Charbroil. They also fit Kingsford, Royal Gourmet, Outdoor Gourmet, Kenmore, and Expert grills. Always measure your existing grates to ensure a perfect match. Each grate measures 16.5 by 10.9 inches, totaling 16.5 by 21.9 inches for the pair. Crafted from heavy-duty matte enamel cast iron, they are built to last. The matte enameled cast iron prolongs their life and ensures long-lasting use. Their non-stick surface also makes cleanup a breeze after every delicious meal. These grates heat and release heat slower, leading to a better grilling effect. They will leave beautiful, professional-looking grill marks on your food, making it even more appetizing. You'll receive 2 high-quality cast iron grates in each package. We offer a 90-day refund or resend service, so feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like. Experience superior heat retention and beautiful sear marks with these matte enamel cast iron grates. They are designed for durability and an outstanding barbecue effect. If you prioritize classic grill marks and even heat distribution for your Charbroil or Smoke Hollow grill, these cast iron grates will elevate your grilling. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.